Hello, everybody, and welcome. Let's go hunting for Sprunki. How are you today, guys?
Hmm? Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Ah.
This place is very quiet.
Oh.
Let's go.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Look, I found one. Come on. Yoo-hoo, I found you, Turner. Yeah, you the first.
Hmm?
Can you see Sprunki? Where they are?
Hmm? Hmm?
Look, I found again. Let's go. Take it basket. Oh, this is a Devin Blue Sprunki. Yoo-hoo! Bravo! Who is the next Sprunki we can find? Yes, I found it again. Let's take it. Oh, this is a gray. Oh, you all are amazing. Let's go search for more. Nothing? Nothing. Where they are? Oh, look at that. Oh, this is pinky. Beautiful. Yay! Good job, guys. Let's move on and look somewhere else. See, we found again. Let's go. Look, we found Simon's yellow Sprunki. Are you still excited to look for Sprunki?
Ah.
Look,
Hmm.
somewhere else?
Hmm. Ah.
Where they are hiding?
Oh. Hmm.
Oh, good. We found it again. Who is that? Oh, this is a Simon Gozad. Good boy. Are there any others? Yes, we found it again. Oh, you are here, Wenda. Amazing. I hope we can find all the Sprunki. Look, we found it again. Oh, you are very smart. We found your ruddy red Sprunki. Who the next Sprunki we found? Yes, I see it. Let's go. What's that? Do you know this? Oh, this is you, Orange Sprunki. Who do you think is the last one? This is? No. This is? No. Oh. Yes, we found it again. Oh, we found you one boat. Okay, mission's complete. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.